welcome to Anime Paint Night. My name is Corey, and this month we are doing a acrylic painting featuring characters from various Studio Ghibli movies. So if you signed up for the kit, you will get a piece of canvas paper, some acrylic paint, a paintbrush, and a photo reference that you can use as a color guide for our image. So like I said, we are doing various characters from Studio Ghibli movies. On the left is Totoro from My Neighbor Totoro. And then on the tree branch we have two little Kodama spirits from Princess Mononoke. And then on the far right we have Chibi Totoro, also from My Neighbor Totoro. Going into this, I didn't realize that all the little cat forest spirits from My Neighbor Totoro were named Totoro. But the largest one is just called Totoro. There's a medium-sized blue one that's called Shu Totoro, and then the little small white one is called Chibi Totoro. So that was a little Ghibli fact that I just learned. And then also I added a fifth friend in the bottom right in the bush. I added Jiji the cat from Kiki's Delivery Service. So they didn't include him in the original reference image, but Jiji is a pretty simple character to draw, so when we get to him, I'll sort of walk you through how to draw him if you want to add him to your image as well. So let's get back to our other friends. So as you can see, I'm painting Totoro. Started painting him blue. In the movie, the large Totoro is more of a gray color, and Shu Totoro, the medium-sized one, he's the blue one. But since we had a black background, I went with painting Totoro blue to work as a better color contrast. So after painting him, then I went in and painted the little bush in the corner, some leaves in the air, and then using some yellow and white, I made some little circular lights. These are sort of like firefly spirit lights kind of things, and they're going to act as like our light source for the image. And then for our three little friends on the branch, I started with gray paint and made like a little gray silhouette of all three of them. And then I went back over that and added some white paint on top of that. Using the gray paint, I sort of made that the shadows of each of the figures. Then I added a couple more layers of white paint to like sort of help define that so that it was a little bit more three-dimensional. So after the figures and the branch and the bush are all painted in, next I went in with the black paint, filled in the background, and then also did like some little touch-ups and added some details in various places, like painting Totoro's nose and his little smile, and adding the faces to the Kodama spirits, and then sort of touching up the bush in the corner, making the leaves and the edge a little sharper, and then adding some detail on the inside of it. Around here is where I added Jiji. Like I said, he's a pretty simple character to add. He's made up of some pretty basic shapes. Round circle for the head, two triangles for the ears, and then sort of a triangular base for his body coming out of the bush. Then after I added him with a layer of white paint, I went back over that with the black paint to sort of fill out his body. Jiji's mostly black, and then like the inside of his ears are like gray. Then he has a little white bug eyes, kind of like Chibi Totoro. Yeah, after all our figures are added, I went back over the little firefly spirit lights, with a mixture of like white and yellow paint, sort of try to blend that together to make it sort of look like they're glowing. And then I went with some yellow paint and added some highlights on all of our figures, sort of like towards the top of their heads, and also some highlights on the leaves nearest to the light. So yeah, that is our image. So I hope you guys enjoyed this month's anime paint night. What's your favorite Studio Ghibli movie? Personally, mine is Jiji's Delivery Service, and then after that, it's probably Princess Mononoke. But they make a lot of cool movies, so whichever movie you like is pretty cool. If you're interested in more anime paint nights, you can check out some of our older videos in the playlist. We do anime paint night every month virtually, so there's a whole bunch of them archived. And then also stay tuned, because next month we'll be doing a watercolor painting with Genshin Impact characters. That should be fun. Definitely check out our website, southerpubliclibrary.com, for more programs and events. Aside from Anime Paint Night, we do a bunch of stuff both virtually and in person, so definitely check that out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the painting, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.